Hey, I've actually made a lot of progress, and I'm working on a course in Canvas called Web Image Preparation using Cloudinary. Cloudinary is a cloud service for a company I work for. But here's my course. It's got 4 modules and an assessment, and basically the student is going to take a layout, a website layout where there are no images. And when they're done, they will have filled them with their own images and they'll be properly sized and optimized. So this is just the home page, and then they would go into module 1, and every module sort of follows a similar layout where there is some discussion, terminology, pictures, like this is showing this is what it starts looking like, that's what it'll look like in the end. Um, and then instructions, and then it ends with a short video. It's not a narrative video where I've created a script. I'm just doing it kind of on the fly. This is how a lot of developers are used to seeing video. And so that's about it. Takes you through, goes back home, and then you can go through all of the modules. So it needs to be really, I need to go back. I've got it kind of all in there, like laid down, but I need to now like really go back and make sure that everything is spelled correctly, sounds right. Might need to redo some things. I'm also looking at putting things into modules. Like right now, I just have this one assessment, but maybe having little quizzes because I have a lot of terminology that I'm sharing here. So that's where I'm at.